Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Good Thursday morning, South Florida. As you head out the door, we are seeing partly cloudy skies throughout portions of Miami-Dade and Broward. Our wind flow is moving in from the southeast to the northwest, and it's bringing us some low-level clouds and even some isolated showers that are popping up on the radar. Most of them have stayed offshore, with the exception of the rain that's falling just about to move in towards portions of Sands Key, as well as portions of Key Largo. Saw some isolated activity. Throughout the overnight, we saw an isolated shower over Homestead and Florida City, and we saw an isolated sprinkle over Pembroke Pines just about 20 minutes ago. That has now dissipated. We are going to see a better chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms once that sea breeze does develop, but very similar weather pattern as what we were under yesterday. Any storms that do develop will push back towards the west, as we will see our winds pick up this afternoon, moving in from the southeast. Right now, we have a southeast wind at 6 miles per hour, a temperature of 83 degrees, and a relative humidity of 72%. You factor in the relative humidity to the air temperature, and the heat index is 89 degrees. In Fort Lauderdale, 82 degrees, with the winds moving in from the south at 6 miles per hour. And in the Keys, Key West, 83 degrees, with a feels-like temperature of 91. Other temperatures around town, lower 80s in Pompano Beach and Oakland Park, as well as Pembroke Pines. Good morning to you in Hialeah. It's 80 degrees, upper 70s in Kendall and Miccosukee. So we've been tracking the storm system that's been moving through the middle portions of the U.S., now moving into the Ohio Valley. This system yesterday sparked up some severe weather throughout portions of Kentucky and through the Midwest. Take a look at the system. Area of low pressure over the Great Lakes, trailing cold front stretching in towards Oklahoma, with another area of low pressure that develops. So plenty of instability in the atmosphere associated with this frontal boundary. Now, as it continues to push towards the southeast, you can see right now some strong storms over the Gulf of Mexico, moving in towards Louisiana. The southeast will see a better chance of severe weather today. For us, we have high pressure in place over the western Atlantic. That will continue to bring our winds in from the southeast. That will help steer any storms that develop away from the metro and coastal areas. Here comes the change, though. That frontal boundary will sag to the south. High pressure will drift more towards the south, and that will allow for our winds to steer in from the south-southwest tomorrow, increasing our rain chances. We could see some strong storms develop here over the metro and coastal areas going into Friday and Saturday. As we look to the tropics, things are quiet in the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean, as well as the Atlantic, at least for now. Tropical cyclone development is not expected in the next 48 hours. Here's your marine forecast. Headed to the beach, threat of rip currents. Doing any boating, Miami-Dade and Broward, the bay will be to moderate chop. For you in lower Keys, no advisories, and nearshore waters at a light chop. Highs today above average, 92 at the coast, 95 inland. Average high this time of year is 90 degrees. Lows will be in the upper 70s. Here's your 7 on 7. We'll start that chance of showers moving in by Friday, and that chance of showers will stick around for the weekend. Have a great day.